Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel RV Info Solutions. So in last video I have discussed about how to create a table in Excel, and today I'll be discussing about how to format that Excel file. So this is the table which we have created in last video. So if you see, this table is a bit messy. So today I'll tell you how to format this. So to first start with the formation, you just first need to create to check all the spellings which you have entered into the Excel sheet. So for that, select the whole sheet and go to this review tab, click on it, and this is AB spelling check. So as soon as you click on it, it will start checking the application. So you see uh, the this spelling is incorrect, and it is giving suggestions also, like for this can be the best match for this application. So I'll go and I'll change, click on, there are multiple buttons here. Ignore all, add to directory. If you want this word to be on the or directory, it will be automatically added here as soon as you click on it. And when you uh, write this word again, it will not ask you to change it. And change all, it will change the spelling. And from change all, it will change whenever this word is present. So I'll click on change. So it is changed now. I'll go with this is information word is also wrong, so I'll go and change this also. Serial number is SR. We don't want to change, so it is just ignore once. Obtained spelling is incorrect, so we again go and change this. ABC is just a name we have given, so I'll ignore this. Raju is also incorrect showing because name, ignore once. Sheetal is a name, so it is for also. I'll ignore this. So now there is no spelling mistake in our sheet. So once again I'll go and I'll select this, and only few that we have already implemented now. So uh, now my Excel sheet does not have any spelling mistakes, so I'll go with the formation of this. So as soon as you start formatting, first you need to check whether this sheet, the table is look good or not. So right now it is a bit messy, so I'll select the whole sheet from this position. As soon as I click here, whole sheet will be selected, and I'll go to one of the column between two columns and stretch a bit this. So what it will do, it will increase the width size. So now the data is pretty much visible. If you see this, student marksheet information is the heading of this table, and this is at the leftmost corner of the table. So we will go to home page and we will move this to center. So as soon this is the orientation of the words which we write into each cell. So as soon as I click on this, it will go to center. If I want this to on the rightmost top, so I'll click on this. So we will want in center. Okay. And to change the word, right now the text style is Calibri and the text size is 16. So if you want to change this to like Arial, I'll go and click on this drop down, and it will give me the option. So Arial is here, and I'll change the font size of this heading to 24, 22, 24. From this capital A, as soon as you click it, select one cell and click it, it increases the size of that particular font. Select this, I'll increase the size of this and select this. Okay, so now it's pretty much good. So let's say if you want to make this heading into italic, so here are the options. Just as soon as you click it, it is a bold italic. If you want only italic, I'll unselect the bold, so it will give you only italic. And if I want to underline this heading, it will make this heading underlined. So this underline is not visible here, but if you stretch this out, you will see the underline. Okay, I'll keep it here. Now I want all these border to be changed to the so I'll go and I check this drop down and I select the thick box. Here you find multiple borders styles, so I'll go and I'll check the thick box. If you want other style, you can go and change your style to whatever you want. Okay, and you can see the double border, thick border, and if you want to change the color of the lines, the color of the table boxes, so you can go and change the color also. I'll go and I'll change it. Okay. Mm, if you want to change the style of the line which is available, you can go to this drop down. The line style is available here. You can select, right now it is the thick border. If I want to keep this, I'll go there and I'll select this, so everything will be, and I need to go to and click here, so it will be like in the green color and the double line order. Now what I want is to give some background color to the heading. So from this color bucket you can fill the colors whichever you want into the background. So I just go to and click the drop down. I want this color to be here. I want some different color for this subheading. So I select this. I'll go here and I will change this to bit light blue, and I will keep this as white only. If you want this to be changed, you can go and change the, we'll keep this color. Okay. Now I want this to be on the background side, I want this to be more darker, and I want to change the text color of the heading. So I'll go to this a underlying with the red color. I'll select this and I go, as soon as I select any color, it will give me the preview also, like how it will look like. So I'll go and I'll keep the this one. So now it is pretty much formatted. Apart from this, this is the again, this column, these lines are showing the position of the text. We can change the position of the headings, the text which I have, whatever we have filled into the cell, and from this we can change the orientation. So if I say it is angle clockwise, so as soon as I select this, the heading will go to the clockwise. But in this data, we don't want this to happen. So I'll go and I'll select the correct one from format cell alignment. So as soon as I click it, it will give me this. I'll just click on this red button and drag it to this position. Okay. So now this is fine. And from this is the general tab. If I want anything to be present, like let's say if I want these numbers to be presented in with comma, so I'll select this column. I go I'll go with this. I'll go on more format number, and I want this number to be present like this. And I want this comma, so I'll select this, so you can see the preview also. Okay. So whenever it is the roll number, so this format does not required. But let's say you are dealing with some sales data, or you want money to be represented, so you can use this formatting. I will undo this formatting because this is the roll number, we cannot do this here. We can format the date also. So for formatting the date, I will just add one date column over here, and we can start formatting that also. So enter today's date. If you want to enter today's date, you can just go to that particular cell and you just put the control and semicolon button and keep. so the today's date will appear. I will tell you all the shortcuts in brief. I'll create one video, separate video for the shortcuts also, and I'll share the documents too. So right now you are seeing it is showing in the video I want this to be present as 28 October 2018. So I just select this. I'll click on this right button. Oh, sorry. I'll right click. I'll go to the format cell and put it here. Date. So now these are the system default date which is available in the system. If you want any other choice, you can write it here. No, we cannot write. We cannot customize this. So I'll go and select this. I want this 28 October 2018. So I'll go and select this. Then it will automatically change. So this way you can change the format also of this date. Okay. And currency, if you want some zeros in the numbers, you can add from this side. If you want something to be present in the percentage, so let's say this is this column is something which is of 10 marks and I want this to be converted to percentage, so I just click on it. It will give the percentage. Right now the percentage, this is not the percent number, so I'll just keep it normal. So for normal also I'll go in and control, I just undo these changes. Okay, this if you go to this home, you can see the multiple tabs are available here: home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review. So the basic formatting, whatever we have done, we can achieve this formatting using these portion of the home button, home, and this portion of this up to general. After general, it is the advanced Excel. I will tell you each functionality of this. So we have covered this portion to format one Excel file. Thank you so much for watching this video.